Hello everyone, it's your Options Guy. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Robinhood, robbing the hood. No, I'm just kidding. But we're going to talk about the 3 reasons why I think Robinhood's going to keep mooning, keep rallying. It's actually going to get bigger, and I think it's going to get a lot of hype in the short term, or at least in the upcoming days. So basically, it's 3 reasons. But before we get into it, I just want to emphasize I'm not a financial advisor or a financial analyst in any way, shape, or form. This is just for entertainment purposes. Make sure you go ahead and check out my channel. It's your Options Guy. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I talk about a variety of things. I actually do a lot of Robinhood Margin videos, so if you're interested in that, it actually has a good amount of views and there's a good amount of comments there. So if you have any questions, you can refer to the comments or definitely provide any additional questions in the comment section. And I even recently created a video about Robinhood Margin call with an example from Robinhood. So go ahead and check that out. So yeah, let's get back into the 3 reasons. So this is basically my portfolio. I'm at almost 8,000 right here. I have 100 shares of Coinbase and basically all in on Coinbase and cryptocurrency. So check out my other video if you want to actually check out my cryptocurrency portfolio from Coinbase. So the first reason that Robinhood is about to moon is because of wallets. So as you can see right here, crypto wallets are coming. Be one of the first to get access to transfer crypto. Go ahead and join the waitlist. So this is basically really big for Robinhood. And actually, I made a video about it not that long ago about like why you should not be using crypto or trading crypto or anything in Robinhood, because, and this was one of the reasons, because they don't have a wallet, and it's just like a big waste if you just buy crypto and then in Robinhood and then you can't do anything with it. But that's all about to change, especially if with wallets coming out, and I'm pretty sure they might even implement new things with crypto, because crypto for Robinhood is actually like a big percentage of like the revenue. I think it's actually like a little bit more than 50%, especially Dogecoin. Dogecoin gets a lot of revenue. I think it's somewhere like 25 to 27% if I remember. So yeah, crypto is pretty big for Robinhood. So one of the main reasons why it rallied today is because they're coming out with crypto wallets, and I think the first phase is gonna come out probably sometime in October, but they should roll out like the whole crypto wallet by sometime in 2022. So with crypto wallets, you're able to go ahead and send crypto to other platforms and such, so that way you could do more with crypto instead of just having crypto and then the only thing you can do is just sell it for cash. So that's kind of pointless. But again, crypto wallet is one of the reasons why I think, one, it went up 10% today. As you can see, Robinhood had a huge 10% surge today, and not only that, I think it's going to keep surging a little bit more, especially with the whole wallet news. So now let's move on to reason number 2. So reason number 2, as you can see right here, basically this is the whole cheddar flow option data. So today for Robinhood, it was really bullish. You can see the calls were 83% compared to the puts at 17%. So let's actually dive into this data. So if I filter by the premium, like the highest premium, so the biggest orders that came in were all call orders, so 202, 168,000, 159,000. So pretty big orders. If you look at the strikes, it's at 45, 36, 35, 35, 40. One really big one was at 85 right here, and one's at 50. So this one's super bullish right here, but this is at 2023, so it's just like a big leap anyways. So let's look at the ones that are expiring pretty soon, just to see at like the price action in short term. So expiring in 9/24, we have a little bit of mix of calls and puts, so all within the 45 range around there. So 45 seems to be a pretty good range. So if Robinhood can keep above 45, or at least by 47, I think that would be like a good mark. So it has to stay around this level, if not push a little bit higher. So it doesn't seem like it might push above 50, but if it gets enough hype, especially with Wall Street bets, if it has that backing, then it can definitely push above 50. And if it pushes above 50, then that's pretty good. I would say breaking the resistance line right there. So it may even start making its way towards 60. So we'll see what happens. The only thing that does worry me is the RSI is pretty overbought right now. It's getting close to that overbought range. So we might see a pullback either to 45-ish around there, or at least in the short term, and then, start rallying again from there. So yeah, this is basically reason number 2. All the orders coming in for Robinhood are looking pretty bullish, and they're all looking pretty good within the short term. Now, reason number 3, which I think will be a bigger reason than the 1 and 2, is basically there's a potential for the Shiba Inu crypto to get implemented into Robinhood. So recently, Shiba Inu got implemented into Coinbase, actually last week, I believe, and it had basically like doubled like that same day. It had a huge surge. So I believe that once it gets implemented to Robinhood, which I feel like it might, so there's this huge $185,000 people hope so, and so we'll see if it actually gets listed on Robinhood. But I feel like it will eventually make its way there, especially because Robinhood is trying to branch out more in the crypto space, and Shiba Inu is definitely like a really good meme type of token. It has a huge fan base. It's actually somewhat overtaking Dogecoin, I think, in some ways. So all I know is that once it gets implemented into Robinhood, I think it's gonna like surge both Robinhood and Shiba Inu. So it's gonna have like a huge surge for both those tickers at least. And yeah, so with those 3 reasons, I think that's why Robinhood is getting a lot of hype. One, because the wallets are coming out, there's a lot of good option data that's coming in, and the potential of the Shiba Inu. And I've been hearing some rumors that it might actually happen sometime like very, very late September or sometime in October. So that sounds like it's pretty soon. And as a bonus, let's take a quick look at ARK. So ARK has been basically buying like a lot of Coinbase and a lot of Robinhood. So this was from yesterday. So as you can see, Coinbase, they're buying a lot of Coinbase again, buying a lot on the dip. And as you can see in ARKW, they have Robinhood again, another good amount of shares, 253,000, $250,000 right there. And then they even added an extra 69,000 down here in their ARKF. So they've been definitely buying Robinhood and Coinbase on the dips, especially Robinhood. Like if it's around that $40 range or lower than 40, ARK has been buying the dip. So that's a pretty good indicator, I would say, that they feel pretty confident in where it's heading, and they feel that around 40 is kind of a little bit undervalued, so that's why they're buying it. So with all those reasons, Robinhood is looking pretty good as at least short-term investment. I think overall it's a good long-term investment. Yeah, it's not making like profits and stuff here and there, but I feel like it's definitely like a good innovator in the whole like space of stocks and crypto, and I feel like it's definitely going to keep going forward, not backwards, and it's doing all the right moves. And if they can implement a wallet successfully and add extra cryptos like Shiba Inu and stuff, it definitely get that retailer into using this more. So yeah, all in all, I hope you liked the video. Go ahead and check out my channel again. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions about Robinhood or Margin or any tricks that I've displayed with using Margin, if you have any questions with that, go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.